Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement. In today's video, we will see what is Chat GPT and why it is so popular, what is new in this one, and what is new in this not. I will say this is something which is coming very uniquely. Okay, so we'll try to chat with Chat GPT, and also we will go to Leetcode, and Leetcode will pick few questions from Leetcode and will provide Chat GPT to solve it. So let's go to 27th of question, and just for a random question, this I have took. This is one of the easiest question. Like this is in an easy tag. Submission is also high, but we have the easy tag, and we will try to get it in Java. And the question says that remove element. So given an integer array of num and an integer val, so we have two values. One is a num which is an array, and value, so we have to remove that element. So let's say for example, if I'm taking input is this one and value is this, so I have to remove the 3, so I will be removing 2 of the values, so I will be getting an output of 2. I will be also getting an output along with the num. Okay, so this is what it question says. So return the k after replacing the final result in the first k slot of n. Okay, and this we have to do with the O of n extra memory. So I hope you understood the question. We have a given an array. From that array we have to remove that integer which is being given. So let's start with Chat GPT and give Chat GPT this question and let them try whether we can do it or not. So okay, so we are right now in Chat GPT console. Let's move on and provide this question to Chat GPT, and then let's see. So Chat GPT has started writing the program, but it haven't told us where to start or explanation or anything. They have just written the function where we are just passing that function with I, and yeah, it is starting. So it says that this function takes the array of num and the integer of value input. The function is used with two pointers I and j. The pointer I keeps track of the position and final result, and the pointer j iterates through this array. So this is something they have given, and this extra memories they have told it. Okay, fine. So the thing is that I want full code, complete this function. Better I should give this function. Complete this function in Java. Okay, so without giving me this question, he has just given me this question in Java. Let us check whether I can able to run this and get the output or not. Okay, so it is explaining also complete this function in Java. So let us take this one and check this. Believe me, this is too interesting to get your work done by one of an AI tool. And let's run this one and check if I can able to get the output or not. Superb, we got this output, and this is how Chat GPT solved Leetcode 27 question with a beat of 100%, and we get the output. So this is one of the question to remove the element, and let's see in console just by running this one. So, and superb, wow. So this is Leetcode 27 with Chat GPT. Thank you so much guys for being with us. We'll solve few more questions with them. Thank you so much.